Yes.
Let's go in there and open it.
You want to get it?
Yeah, get it, Mom, get it.
Today is August 2nd.
Mommy,
We planted in May. In May, we planted these corn and these tomato. And the tomatoes are now taller than Dad. And we're going to get the corn for the first time from the stalk. And Daddy's going to do the honors. Do you want me to hold him?
Daddy, get that one.
I would start with this one.
This one in the back's not brown.
I know, not those. These two. But see this yellow one right here? Nope. That one. Do you know how you're doing it? You're just going to pull it off? I hope that's what you do.
Daddy, can I have it?
Let's see.
Oh no, it's sick. That one's too young.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's too young.
Let's see. Okay.
Or it's deformed.
Well, how do we know? What a bummer.
So much for green thumb. What about this one, this brown?
Wait, maybe you shouldn't. Don't take it off then.
Yeah, I don't think so yet either.
Well, it's a little weird that some of the kernels are yellow.
This one looks like there's something on it.
Ryan, don't break it.
Happy, happy.
Oh, good.
Here, why don't you explore? Here, for posterity.
Me and my boxers.
Taller. I'm not getting your boxers. Taller than Daddy, but that's the tomatoes behind him and the corn.